Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of AT&T Inc. And if you look at this range, so the stock has been trading inside a consolidation range, but what has happened in between is that the stock has somewhat broken the short term, what you can say, the consolidation range on the downside. So what we are going to see as a trend on the downside, we are going to check in this video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you get to know whenever I upload the videos. So let's talk about the trend. As it seems that there are more downside left probably, so we have to work with the probability. Now what has happened in between, let me just tell you. So for the time being, I'm keeping my trading range, if you look at this highlighted area, so this is my trading range for the time being. We will look as and when the trend changes or the stock price changes accordingly. Okay, so let me just zoom this chart a bit, where you can see here. So for AT&T, so previously this 28.94 was indeed your support level and current price is 28.91. So technically it has broken its support and the next support will come at around 28.6. Now there is a high probability that it will come towards 28.6 because this is a gap which the stock will definitely trying to fill it up. But if the stock goes below 28.6, then we are looking at 27.63 and 27.29. Now understand one thing, that breaking multiple support levels requires prior risk analysis, and you need to understand and plan that how much risk you want to take. And so if the stock goes continuously falling, so what is your level or the price at which you want to exit? You have to plan your entry and exit strategy before you are taking a trend and do as per your plan. Okay, so don't just think and put your trade whether for long term or short term, and then as the price goes on you will then change your mind and decide accordingly. Don't do it. Okay, so that's the thing you need to understand and develop accordingly as your discipline. So you need to understand these are important support levels. Breaking down below these support levels will cause further damage, so you have to keep your stop loss very much intact and you have to be very much disciplined. And on the upside you have 29.33, your first target or resistance, then you have 30.12, and then you have 30.62. so these are your support and resistance level. Now why I am keeping my support and resistance level inside this area, because these below or above this area you have lots of volatility either on the upside or on the downside. So this seems like a consolidation range. So when it seems like a consolidation range, we have to be inside that range. Okay, so let the stock decide how and where it want to go, and then we will decide accordingly. So just stay inside the trend and just follow the support and resistance level and plan your trade accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.